That's the road to Tickfaw Campground. And I'm going to have to back up, so I'm going to put the camera here and back up with my reverse cam on the car. Yeah, oh, look at that. These twisted lines are everywhere. I didn't know how far I could get. There's no close sign or anything like that. If you have a truck, you could probably get through, but I don't. So
Continue on Fire Tower Road for half a mile.
I can't because it is blocked off with downed lines and everything else. Tire, driving over wires and things that you really shouldn't be driving over. Okay, there's a driveway right back here, so.
Head south on Fire Tower Road.
Yeah, I can't go south on Fire Tower Road. GPS trying to kill me.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Louisiana 42 East.
So the answer to the question is,
head south on
I
Fire
cannot
Tower
get to
Road.
Tickfaw. So if it looks like this on the way to Tickfaw, that's another power pole down. That's the whole pole down.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Louisiana 42 East.
Yeah, I got you. If it looks like that on the way to Tickfaw, I can't imagine what Tickfaw looks like. Probably not much left.